Let's learn how to properly replace your filters for the Philips Respironics DreamStation Auto CPAP machine. Let's get started. First, you can just lift the filter access door and swing it open to make sure the dark blue pollen filter is in place. This dark blue non-disposable filter screens out normal household dust and pollens. In addition to the reusable filter installed in your DreamStation, there is a light blue disposable ultrafine filter that provides additional filtration for very fine particles. If you are using both filters, place the optional filter under the reusable one and snap them together. Put the filter assembly back into the device and swing the door closed. You are now all set. Need help finding the best products and do not know if going through health insurance is the best option? Comment below or reach out to Nationwide Medical Incorporated at 877-307 CPAP or visit us online at www.nationwidemedical.com for further information regarding the resupply program and more.